How to fix Hogwarts Legacy. Sorry, something went wrong. Here's what you have to do. First, you will close Epic Games. So if you have it open, you just want to right click and exit. Now you will open up your computer, search for Epic Games Launcher, right click on it, open file location. Here you want to right click on Epic Games Launcher, show more options, properties, compatibility, and you will check these three options here. Compatibility mode, run this program in compatibility mode 4, leave this as Windows 8, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as an admin. Click on apply, click on OK. Once you do this, you want to load up Epic Games, and once Epic Games loads here, you will go into library, and now you want to find Hogwarts Legacy. Click on the three dots, then you will click on manage, and here you will just verify the integrity of the files. So click on verify. It's going to take a little bit to verify the files. And the last thing that you have to do is click on open install location, right click on Hogwarts Legacy, show more options. Again, you will go into properties, again go into the compatibility tab, and you will check these three options. Click on apply, click on OK, and that should fix the issue. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.